is a standard pre-departure orientation. The pre-employment is the same for all. Because the pre-employment discusses more your decision to migrate. For example, did you talk to your family before migrating? How did you decide? If you have children, who will look after your children? Do you have enough information about the country where you are going to? So that's the pre-employment. It's standard for all. The pre-departure is where it differs. It's country-specific, it's skill-specific. So domestic workers, if you're looking at the elementary scale, domestic workers have a separate pre-departure orientation program. They're called household service workers in the Philippines, and they undergo a specific pre-departure training program. There's also for the highly skilled, for example, going to the Gulf, the engineers, those who are working in the oil industry, they have a separate pre-departure as well. And sometimes the company also, or the employer, does its own pre-departure. But in the Philippines also, it has become a big issue because it's not only the government that does the pre-departure program. It's also the recruitment agencies. They can get accredited. You just need to be accredited to do a pre-departure program. Civil society can also do pre-departure program as long as they are licensed and accredited. They have to pass a certification and they follow a certain curriculum for the pre-departure. The local government is not allowed to do the pre-departure. A lot of the pre-departure is under the Overseas Workers Welfare Administration and in the private recruitment agencies.